class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning class. Now let's continue with chapter 5. Good morning बच्चे. Good morning. Today we will continue creating Mercury. Today we will discuss about the tag Mercury. What Mercury tag used and what will happen when we will use Mercury tag. Have you done any last program on your system? Is anyone any child? Is there any student who done program in HTML yesterday? Is anyone? No?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning बच्चे. आप क्या बोल रहे हो? Is there any student?
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, beta. I'm asking about, have you done the last program in HTML?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. If you run the program, you will find out your web page. Okay, today we will discuss about the Mercury. That is, here is Mercury. How will you use this tag and how will it work? When you surfing the internet, you might have moving the advertise in the form of text or images. आप जब कोई भी वेब पेज ओपन करते हो इंटरनेट पे तो आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखाई देते हैं, टेक्स्ट इमेजेस शो होती हैं जो कि मूव कर रही हैं लेफ्ट टू राइट, टॉप टू बॉटम लाइक दिस. So we use Mercury tag for this. Vanshika, is my sound clear? Vanshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Vanshika, you will read this paragraph. Vanshika,
Okay.
read
Okay,
paragraph.
ma'am. While surfing the internet, you might have seen the moving advertisement in the form of text or images. The moving object gets special attention of the user. HTML allows you to move your objects left, right, up, and down by using the Mercury tag. The Mercury tag is a container tag. It takes the text or image between the opening Mercury and moving part or the Mercury tag has following attributes: behavior. It can have 3 values which are slide, scroll, and alternate. Mercury behavior slide will make the object move only once that.
Stop, Vanshika, that's enough. Good. Now, Aditi. Aditi, you will read this paragraph from Mercury behavior slide. Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
turn on your camera. Okay. And start reading from Mercury behavior.
Behavior I can. It can have three values which are slide, scroll and alternate. Mercury behavior slide will make the object move once, only once. That is when the object reaches the end point. मैम आपने स्क्रीन हटा दी मैम
Have you not book?
मैम मेरी बुक ना मेरे ट्यूशन में रह गई थी तो इसलिए मैम मेरे पास
Okay,
book
okay,
नहीं
I'm sharing. Okay, then, but I'm sharing the screen. Wait a minute. Start beta reading. Start reading, beta.
reaches the end point, the object stops moving and no movement is seen afterward. You need to press F5 key or refresh the web page to see the opposite outputs again. Mercury behavior scroll will make the object.
Next paragraph will read Aisha Rawat. Okay. One student will read only one paragraph, so that everyone can read all paragraphs. Okay. Everyone can read. Start, Aisha.
मैम थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा था मैम कहाँ से मैम
यहाँ से बेटा Mercury behavior is equal to scroll. Then I will tell you about the Mercury tab. Start from this.
मैम सेकंड ना Mercury scroll
हाँ जी बेटा यहाँ से
will make
Mercury
the
behavior
object
scroll.
move from start point to the end and then emerges out again from the start point. It seems that the object is coming out of the start point and going inside the end point and continues to do the same thing. It follows the same loop again and again.
Okay. Good beta, good. Now next turn is of Atul Kumar. You will start, continue from here. From Mercury behavior alternate. That is Mercury behavior is equal to alternate. Atul Kumar, can you listen to me? Okay, Yash Bohra, you start reading beta. Yash Bohra. From Mercury behavior alternate paragraph.
Mercury behavior alternate will make the object move from start to the end and then bounce back from the end to start. It seems that the object is bouncing between the start and the end point.
End point. Good. Next, who will read? Gaurav Sharma. You better start reading from the direction. From the paragraph directions. Gaurav Sharma, are you there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
start it.
Direction, it allows you to set the direction in which the object will move. It can have four values which are up, down, right and left. Marquee direction up, it moves the object in the upward direction, that is perform button to tap. Mercury direction down, it moves the object the downward direction,
Downward.
that downward is direction, that is for
Down.
tap to button.
Top to bottom. Top to bottom. Okay. Then Harshilal. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Harshilal.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading then. But from direction. From the direction you will continue.
Marquee direction up. It moves the object in the upward direction, that is from bottom to top. Marquee direction down. It moves the object in the downward direction, that is from top to bottom. Marquee direction right. It moves the object in the rightward direction, that is from left to right. Marquee direction left. It moves the object in the leftward direction, that is from right to left.
Then stop it there, everyone. Now turn off your mic. I will tell you about the Mercury tag. First, see this tag. You can see here we use Mercury tag like this. Okay, whatever you will write in the Mercury tag, there will be shown in your screen. But how will it seen? It will moving. It will look like a moving object. आप अगर Mercury में कुछ भी write करते हो like that, hello I am with text, तो ये आपको move होता दिखाई देगा from left to right, right to left, top to bottom. जब आप प्रैक्टिकली से करेंगे नोटपैड में तो यू विल सी दैट Mercury tag, whatever you text written in this tag, this will shown in your screen and it will start moving like in web pages, in advertising, in images. They are moving from top to bottom, bottom to top, like that. And for this we can insert an image also. हम इसमें image को भी move करवा सकते हैं like this. Mercury give image source in the Mercury tag. Okay, here is also some attributes of Mercury, that is behavior. First of all, behavior. What is behavior attribute then? It can have three values which are slide, scroll or alternate. In the Mercury behavior slide will make the object move only once. In Mercury behavior slide आप देखेंगे कि ऑब्जेक्ट सिर्फ एक बार ही मूव होगा. That is when object reach the end point, the object stop moving. जब आप ये वेब पेज ओपन करेंगे तो Mercury behavior slide में जो भी राइट करेंगे आप, वो आपको सिर्फ एक बार ही वर्ड शो होगा. आपको टेक्स्ट इमेज हो या आपकी टेक्स्ट हो तो दे विल शोन ओनली एट ए टाइम. सिर्फ एक बार ही दिखाई देंगे, ओनली वंस. अगर आपको वही फिर से दिखाई देना है, आपको वो टैग इमेजेस, टेक्स्ट इमेजेस, तो आपको F5 की प्रेस करनी पड़ेगी. So you can refresh the page to see the output again. Beta, in the Mercury behavior slide, if you want to make the object move from only once, then you will use Mercury behavior. This Mercury behavior spot.
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर.
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ.
मैम प्लीज चेक योर नेटवर्क.
यस मैम.
Network is full बच्चे.
can I read?
Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am sharing again the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, look at the Mercury tag and its attribute. We are discussing about Mercury tag and its behavior, its attributes. Behavior is its attribute, where we can slide, scroll, and alternate our text or images. Next is our Mercury behavior scroll. You can see here. You can see that Mercury behavior scroll will make the object move from start point to the end and then emerge out again from the start point. Like this in MS Word, in Word Art, some words move like from top to bottom, from start to end. So they start moving from start to end and then again start from start to end. Like this, if any word is written here, like creating Mercury, it will move from up to down. It will move like this, and this will immerse in the end. Then it will start again. Word will be start from here. First word will be written here, then will be seen this word will be here, then there, then there, then there, and then it immerse in bottom. Then again word start moving from there. आपका वर्ड ऊपर से नीचे तक मूव होता दिखाई देगा. आपको मूव शोन होएगा. आपका वर्ड चल रहा है, मूव कर रहा है from top to bottom. For this we will use Mercury behavior scroll. Okay. Then Mercury behavior alternate type. Then there is the Mercury behavior alternate type. It will make the object move from start to end and then bounce back from end to start. First word start from top to bottom and then start word from bottom to top. Like this. This is Mercury behavior alternate type. Then we will use attribute direction. There is your direction attribute. Attributes are used with our tags. You all know that. Okay, but it allow you to set the direction in which the object will move. हम इसमें डायरेक्शन एट्रीब्यूट से हम ये शो कराते हैं कि वर्ड कहाँ मूव करेगा. टॉप टू बॉटम करेगा, बॉटम टू टॉप कर रहा है, या लेफ्ट टू राइट करेगा, या राइट टू लेफ्ट ये करेगा. तो इट विल दिस एट्रीब्यूट इज यूज्ड फॉर to move object from up, down, right and left. And here we will use Mercury direction up, Mercury direction down, Mercury direction right and Mercury direction left. These attributes are used with Mercury tag to show the direction. Okay, have you cleared the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will start next attribute. Next is your scroll amount. Okay, scroll amount. Start reading, beta. Start reading from
Ma'am, can I?
Kunal Dubey. Everyone will read. Start from Kunal Dubey. You will read beta from the scroll amount.
It indicates the speed of the moving object. The scroll amount, one means the slowest moving object. Marquee scroll movement. Or
Scroll amount. That is scroll amount beta.
This is scroll amount. The slowest speed of moving text. Marquee. Marquee scroll amount 10. The medium speed of the moving text. Marquee. Marquee scroll amount 20. The fastest speed of moving text. Marquee. Other attributes including legend, big color and width, which works in the same way as done with the other. In the same way as done with the other HTML tags. Let us see the marquee tag to make a text and
there is the
image.
program. Okay. Stop reading. Okay. Now you can see here a program for this marquee tag. How will you use and how will you write? Look at here. Start from HTML, then you will write head, you will use title tag and body color. Now you will start marquee direction. You can see here we are writing marquee direction right, behavior slide, scroll amount and everything touchpad. Then this program will show you the output. आप ये प्रोग्राम अगर आपने नोटपैड में करेंगे और .html से सेव करेंगे तो आपको अपना वेब पेज शो हो जाएगा इन अ marquee form. So this is a small program for marquee tag. Okay, then again read scroll amount. That's Prachi and Priyanshi. You both will read scroll amount paragraph. Prachi, are you listening? Raj Kishore, can you read this paragraph?
Ma'am, can I?
Raj Kishore, Sania. Is anyone there?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. First Riya will read, then Sania will read this paragraph.
Ma'am, मैं पढ़ूँ? Ma'am, scroll
First
amount. Scroll amount. It indicates the speed of the moving object. The scroll amount is equal to 1 means the slowest moving object. Marquee scroll amount. The slowest speed of the moving text. Marquee scroll amount. The medium speed of the moving text. Marquee scroll amount. The fastest speed of the moving text. Marquee. Ma'am, पढ़िए.
And Sania will read.
Ma'am, same
paragraph you will read.
scroll
Ma'am,
amount.
सोहिल ना screen पे scratch कर रहा है.
Beta,
Object. The scroll amount.
write anything on this.
The slowest moving object. Marquee scroll amount 1. The slowest speed of moving text. Marquee scroll amount 10. The medium speed of the moving text. Marquee scroll amount 20. The fastest speed of moving text. Marquee. Other attributes include align, BG color and width, which were in the same ways as done with other HTML tags. Let's use the marquee tags to move a text and an image on the web page in the following way.
What beta? Now who is left for reading? Vanshika, you will start reading from again.
Can read.
Himesh. Okay, then Himesh will read. Okay, Himesh, read beta.
Scroll amount is indicate the speed of the moving object. The scroll amount one mean the slowest moving object. Mark Q scroll amount is equal to 1. The slowest speed of the moving text. Mark Q small amount is equal to 10. The medium speed of the moving text. Mark Q small amount is equal to 20. The fastest speed of the moving text. Mark Q. Other aptitudes include alignment,
That's
alignment, back color and with the work on in the same way as done with the other HTML tag. Let us use the marquee tag to move a text and an image on the web page in the following way. HTML.
Now who is left for reading? Vanshika, Vinit, Yash. You want to read?
मैं पढ़ूँ आयशा?
Yeah, Aisha, start reading beta. This paragraph
Scroll
again.
mount it indicates the speed of the moving object. The scroll one means the slowest moving object. Marquee scrollment first. The slowest speed of the moving text. Marquee scrollment 10. The medium speed of the moving text. Marquee scrollment 20. The fastest speed of the moving text. Marquee. Other attributes include aligning, back color, and width with the other HTML page tags. Let us use.
Okay then.
मैम ये
Look at this.
कॉलम में क्या होता है?
Okay, scroll amount बेटा it indicate the speed of moving object. आप कुछ भी scroll amount में write करें तो आपकी speed बताएगा कि कितनी speed से text आपको move दिखाई दे, या आपको बिल्कुल fast दिखाई दे, slow में मर्क्यू का एट्रीब्यूट है, तो आप मर्क्यू के एट्रीब्यूट में आप ये स्क्रॉल अमाउंट अगर आप मेंशन करोगे तो आपको इसकी स्पीड, आप स्पीड दे रहे हो, अगर आप स्पीड 1 दे रहे हो तो बहुत स्लो स्पीड से आपका ऑब्जेक्ट मूव होगा. इफ यू यूज मर्क्यू स्क्रॉल अमाउंट 10 तो ये मीडियम स्पीड में जाएगा आपका ऑब्जेक्ट. और टेक्स्ट, कोई भी टेक्स्ट हो, इमेज हो, कुछ भी हो, तो वो आपका बिल्कुल स्लो और मीडियम स्पीड में जाएगा. इफ यू
तो मैम
मूव करेगा 20 तो ये फास्ट स्पीड में आपका टेक्स्ट मूव होगा. तो स्क्रॉल अमाउंट आपके, हाँ ये मूव करेगा, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका, टेक्स्ट इमेज है, तो मार्क स्क्रॉल अमाउंट में वो ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करेगा स्क्रीन पे. तो आप देखोगे स्क्रीन पे वो ऑब्जेक्ट कितनी स्पीड से मूव होगा. तो ये है आपका स्क्रॉल अमाउंट पे, और ये मर्क्यू टैग और इसके एट्रीब्यूट है. आप इनको यूज करके, ये स्मॉल सा प्रोग्राम है आपका HTML में, तो आप इस पर इसको सेव करके इसको रन कराएंगे. तो ये सब था आपका अबाउट मर्क्यू टैग. You can see here the program. Here is your program. तो आपको जो आउटपुट मिलेगा वो मैं आपको शो कराती हूँ. आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? After this program, you will see your output. Here is your moving test using Mercury touchpad. आपका Mercury tag में if you will write touchpad, then this touchpad will start moving. Which direction you indicate, from top to bottom, left to right, right to left, whatever you direction mentioned. Yeah. You can see your output of this small program here. आपने जो प्रोग्राम किया है अभी, जो प्रोग्रामिंग है आपके ऊपर, ये आपको उसका आउटपुट यहाँ ये शो होगा आपको स्क्रीन पे, वेब पेज इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ वेब पेज. In form of web page, you can see your output. Everybody has clear about this. What is Mercury
Yes,
tag
ma'am.
and its attribute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then in the next week, there will be your class only on Tuesday and Wednesday at 9 o'clock. So next week, I will ask about the Mercury tag, its attribute, and whatever we read last day, yesterday. Okay. And then we will continue the linked web pages. And then this program in your notepad, and you can see your web pages like this. If you are fluent in the form HTML programs, you can make a website. आप ये HTML यूज करके, प्रोग्राम्स को यूज करके एक वेबसाइट भी बना सकते हो. आप अगर गूगल पर सर्च करते हो तो वेबसाइट सर्च करते हो ना सभी,
Yes,
तो वो
ma'am.
वेबसाइट्स
Yes, ma'am.
क्रिएट होती हैं HTML टैग्स.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
मेक creative, effective and animated images. तो आप HTML टैग से ब्यूटीफुल एनिमेटेड और इमेजेस, वीडियोस वेब पेजेस में शो करा सकते हैं. और यू नो, एवरीबॉडी नोज दैट कि वेब पेज इज शोन बाय एनीबॉडी इन नेटवर्किंग. अगर इंटरनेट पे वेब पेज है तो उस वेब पेज को कोई भी कहीं से भी देख सकता है. If he is from Delhi, is from any other city, they can share web pages. Anybody can see these web pages on their internet surfing. Everybody knows about internet surfing, about Facebook, about Google. These all are made up of web pages.
Web
And
page.
these web pages are created by using HTML. And here we are discussing about HTML tags. Without HTML tags, we cannot form HTML program. Okay, beta. Then you will try this program and get this output. Okay. Can I ask a question? Can I ask from anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Talo. Can you tell me about Mercury tag? Why we use Mercury tag?
Ma'am, क्या?
मैंने रिपीट किया.
What is Mercury tag? क्या है Mercury tag आपका? क्या करता है? What is its function? Atul Kumar, can you tell me?
What is Mercury tag?
Beta, what is Mercury tag?
Ma'am, the Mercury tag is a container tag. It takes the tag between the opening Mercury and the closing Mercury tags.
Mercury tag is used to move our objects in form of text or images. Just this. कि Mercury tag क्या है आपका? Just आपका tag है और वो आपका container tag है जो आपको object को move कराता शो कराएगा आपको स्क्रीन पे। ठीक है, ओके, ये भविष्य है। आप बताओ बच्चा, व्हाट इज मर्क्यूरी टैग? टेल मी अबाउट मर्क्यूरी टैग।